In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a module and configure a function using search tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop a new module into your workflow, pick the right function, set its value, and confirm your changes with confidence. First, click the plus button labeled Add Module. This is your entry point for expanding a workflow or automation. You'll typically find the plus icon at the edge of an existing path or between two connected steps. When you click it, a module picker or library opens, showing the available building blocks. Think of a module as a self-contained action you can plug into your process to do something specific. Next, use the search field to find tools. In the module library, locate the search bar at the top and type tools to filter the list quickly. Searching keeps you focused and helps you avoid scrolling through long catalogs. If the platform groups items by category, you'll see a Tools category or similar. Select it to reveal the available actions within that area. Now, select a function. For example, choose Set Variable. Functions are the specific actions a module can perform. Set Variable is a common and useful one because it stores a value you can reuse later in your workflow. When you open the function, you'll see fields for configuration. Picking the correct function here ensures the module does exactly what you expect. If you're not sure, hover over the function name or open its description panel to read what it does before continuing. Then, enter the value. This is where you define what the function should work with. The value might be a static piece of text, a number, a Boolean like true or false, or a reference to data coming from a previous step. Pay attention to formatting cues in the field. Placeholders, character limits, or examples can guide you. If your platform supports variable tokens or dynamic fields, make sure you use the correct syntax so the value resolves properly at runtime. When entering text, be clear and consistent. When entering numbers, confirm units or expected ranges to prevent downstream errors. Finally, click OK. This confirms your configuration and adds the module to your workflow with the selected function and value. After you click OK, you should see the new module appear in the chain, connected to the surrounding steps. If the interface highlights validation messages, address them before moving on. And that's it. You clicked Add Module, searched for tools, selected a function like Set Variable, entered the value, and confirmed with OK. You're ready to keep building with confidence.